Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. Today it's a quick vlogging. I just want to take you guys along to PC World. I want to get a camera and I need to sort my laptop out. It's giving me a headache. So yes, I'm going to take you guys along and show you the beautiful technologies, electrical stuff they have in PC World. Hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. Catch you guys later. Okay guys, we're in PC World now. Did they lock the car? We're in PC World now guys. Okay, let's go and look for that my camera first. Let me look for my camera first. Okay, so they have this one here. This is Canon. This one is Canon what? Canon M100. Two-table touchscreen. This one is not bad. This is another one. This one is not bad. I don't think this one has I don't think the screen of this one comes out. Because I want the one with the screen. Precious, where are you? Please don't wander anywhere. And then they have these ones here. And the one I'm really looking for. Oh, look at this one, very expensive. This one is so expensive. Good. Oh, and then they have this one. This is huge. This one is very huge. This one is Canon 400D. 2.7 inches screen. Built-in Wi-Fi. I don't think I want that one. Then they got this one here. 3 inches touchscreen. I don't think the screen comes out. Oh, it does. Okay, so the screen of this one comes out as well. Idea for beginners. No, it's not bad. This is Nikon. This is another one. 335. This one is 200. This is the one I would have loved to get, but I would have loved to get this one. But it's 619 pounds. It's no joke. This one is really nice. And the screen of this one comes out as well. This one is really nice, but the price is no joke. I would have preferred that one, and then they got this one that is so massive. Oh my god, I don't think I need all these massive cameras. They're so huge. Gee. So guys, and then they got some tripod, camera case. Yeah. Then of course they got the SD card. So over here they got some other little camera. I think what I really want, oh, so expensive. I'm thinking of this one here. I'm thinking of this one here. I'm thinking of this one. Are you okay? I'm thinking of this one here. Or I don't know if they will do me a discount on this one. Where is it again? Not that one. Not that one. There's one I saw on their website. I'm suspecting this is the one I saw on their website. No, not this one. I don't want this one. I don't want that one. I think this is the one I saw, but I don't think they still have it. This is the one I saw, but I don't think they still have it. But they have this one. They have this one here. Save £50. I don't know if I should get this one. I don't know if I should get this one. It's huge. Oh my god, I can't believe how huge this camera is. Trying to think what is the difference between this one and the first one I showed you guys. I think it's probably the lens. I think the lens is the difference, really. I think the lens is, but this one is a bit more huge anyway. So this one has built-in Wi-Fi for Bluetooth. This is the one I really wanted to get, but I'm not sure if it's here. Oh, that's the one. It's here. What am I saying? Look at it. I wasn't even looking very well. So this is the one I actually want to get. That's the one I saw in their website. This one. So it's 2.5, which is this one here. It's 579. Okay. I think this is the one, precious. But I don't know what and what it comes with. I think it probably just comes with the lens. So let me see. Maybe I can save myself some money. Maybe the small one might have more. Let me take you guys to look at the other one again. If that one is much, if it has almost similar things to it. Okay, so this one is Canon 100. I don't know what and what this one has. I would love to have known the difference between this one and that one, because this is 400. Treatable. That's 400, so that's 175 pounds. Mirrorless camera. I think I need to go and call someone to help. I'm going to look for someone to help me. I think that guy is busy. Let me ask him. I want to ask someone. Okay guys, so I've decided to get the Canon, the one for 399, because she said the quality of the picture is much better. She said the quality is much better. So yeah. So I'm going to be getting. Okay, so I think they have. I was trying to see if I can find the difference, the description and all that. But anyway, yeah. So there's a lot of lovely stuff, guys. I'll take you guys around a little bit for my laptop before we go. So I'm just waiting for the lady. The phone. Yeah, so my daughter's phone is similar to this one. But our own is sapphire. This is ours here. Sapphire blue.
I really like this Galaxy 75.
Yeah.
Other batteries like
This is very nice. If I even have money, I'll just get this one. Okay.
I actually quite like this one.
Yeah, but you have to really read it. I don't want to make the mistake I made last time, but I didn't read it. And then I end up getting
I really like it.
the storage is too small. Look at this one. And you know, August have one. Which one did we see again? Okay, so these are the Jamie ones. Do you know how much that is? Have you checked the price? Oh guys, look at the camera, the laptop my daughter wants. Can you see the price? Because she wants to be playing games. Can you just imagine that? Look at the price of that.
It's quite expensive, but so good.
Let's look at the price of that.
I really like this one, but so expensive. Just look how blue.
It's nice though. It's multicolor. It's glowing different colors.
This
That's
is what's so much
expensive.
cheaper. But then there's this one.
Let me see the memory of this one. Oh, this one is quite alright for me, you know, because this one has the hard drive, which is 1 TT, so that's 329. So this is HP 15 inches. He said they can't do the other one, and if I'm to buy a new one, I have to buy a laptop worth £600 before they can. So this one is not bad. This is what? This is also HP. This one is 300 and I think maybe I'll get this one. This one is 329. This one here is 329 as well. It's blue color, I think. This one is blue color. Yeah, but precious. It's 1,000 something. I don't think I have money for that. This one is pink. I got pink one at home already, but I like this pink notwithstanding. I think I might get this one because this one, I think the memory is bigger. It's 1 TB and the price is not bad. This one is not bad. This one here, I don't think I like that one. I think I prefer one of these ones. Let me just show you guys what is here. Let me see if there's more that is a bit more cheaper. Oh look, there's another one here that is 309. This one is HP 15 inches as well. This one is silver grey, which I think I like as well. So this one is practically 300 and they have another one I'm looking at there. This one also have a big memory storage. I don't know if this memory 4 gig. This is the anyway. I will go and ask them. I think this one is reasonable as well. And then we also have this one that is 299. What make is this one? I don't even know what make this one is. I don't know the make of this one. I can't see much about this one. I don't know the make of it. I don't know the make of this laptop. Anyway, if you want to get additional stuff, to get all this additional thing here, that's extra money. Can you guys see that? Okay, let's go and see the other one. But I think I like those ones over there. And then we also have this one as well. This is HP as well. This one, I don't know the make. Oh, Geo, I see. But the memory is so small. Don't want that. I don't want any laptop that the memory is too small. This one is very nice. Well, it's not cheap. This one is a very small HP. Precious, this laptop will be very good for you. But the memory is way too small. But don't worry, you will get a laptop when the time is right. This one, I swear, the memory is too small. This one is not bad. It's also HP. 379. I like the color. It's 379 as well. Not bad, not bad. I think the ones over there looks more like what I'm likely to buy. Yeah guys, so, and I like this desktop. I have a desktop already, but I need a monitor. I need a monitor for the desktop. Come, let's see the other laptops on this side before we decide which one to get. Okay, see, there's another one with my front here. This one is 429. It's not bad. I'm looking for the one the memory is really big. I want the one the memory is really big. That's the one I am looking for, so that I don't have to run back here again for memory problem. Because the other laptop, the one I brought, they said they cannot change the memory. They can't change the memory, so I have to get a new laptop. And it's 319. These ones are very nice, but they're so expensive, I think. To me, I just think they're expensive. To me, I think they're expensive. I'm just looking for the one the memory is much. Let's see those ones you're looking at there. Oh, these are Chromebooks. Are they like laptop or what is they? But they don't have a bigger memory. The memories are way too small. These ones are good for if you don't have a lot of, like Precious, person like you, Precious. If you don't have a lot of things to do with laptop. Exactly. If you don't have a lot of things to do with laptop, then the memory for those ones are perfect for you. Oh, look at this one. This one is not bad. This one is 249. Up to 5 or 1 TV, 4 gig. I don't mind buying this one. This one is even cheaper. Let's ask them about this one. This one is much more cheaper. Okay guys, I think I like this one. So guys, I'll be getting this laptop. So this is the laptop I will be getting. Yeah, I've showed them. I've already done the one you say you like. I'll be getting this laptop because my other laptop cannot be fixed. So I'll be getting this laptop. Okay guys, we are almost done. That's my daughter. She's looking tired. But I don't have 1,000 something, Precious. She wants the gaming laptop. Can you believe that? I can't even buy a laptop of 1,000 something for myself. Over here. I am over here. I'm just waiting for the guy to help me with the laptop. I'm over here. Okay guys, the wind is so much. So we are done from PC World. We are going home now. The wind is so very much. Yeah, I'll try and see if I can show you guys what I got when I get home. Alright, catch you guys later. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you guys my camera that I bought from PC World. If you can see, I bought it from PC World Paris. So I bought a camera, and then I bought a laptop because my other laptop, they were not able to change the drive, the hard drive. So they just said the best is for me to get a new laptop, which I think is reasonable. Yeah, so I buy a new laptop. So I'm just going to take them off the bag. So that's the laptop here. I'm just looking for the name of the laptop. I think the name is here. Well, the sticker. Lenovo. So that's the sticker has covered it up. So that's the laptop I bought. I'm going to open it and show you guys. I haven't opened it yet. And of course I got all the paperwork. Yeah. Okay. So, and I got my Canon. It's the black one. The case, they just put the camera on the silver box. I don't know why. But the one I got is black. The one inside here is black. So this is Canon EOS M100. Something mirrorless, they said. I can't even see the mirrorless thing. But anyway, this is Canon EOS M100. So they said the quality of it is better than the one I was going to get. I was going to get Canon EOS 250D. That was the one I was going to get. But when I got there, they said this is the picture quality and the camera quality is much better, and it has everything. It has the Wi-Fi at the back of it. It got the Wi-Fi. It got Bluetooth, and then it got the HDMI. Everything. So it has everything. And then I also got a memory card. I got a bigger one so it doesn't finish too early. So I got a memory card as well. Okay guys, so I'm going to open the camera and show you guys. Yeah. So that's the camera. Alright guys, let me bring my camera forward so you guys can see the camera properly. Okay, so I brought my camera forward, just want you guys to see it properly. So when you open the box, it has two manuals here. This manual is very huge. It's quite a huge book. And then you got a small one. So it comes, I think this is a strap. It comes with a strap. So this is the strap. And this is the plug. Oh, this one is the twin pack. So it comes with two lens. So this is one of the lens. I'm going to remove from the package. I'll just bring them out, then I'll open them. This is one of the lens. This I think is the battery, where the battery goes into, and you plug the plug to the mouth there. And this is the camera itself. You can see it's not as huge as the Canon EOS 250D, something like that they call it. So it's quite smaller than that one. So this is the camera itself. This is the second lens, which is much bigger than the first one. Oh, and the battery. As you can see guys, I haven't opened it, so I'm opening it with you guys. Yeah, so that's what is in the box and all the cartons, and that's the carton. So I'm going to now unwrap the camera first. I'm going to unwrap the camera first. guys, so this is the camera. Oh, I'm doing upside down. This is the camera here. You can see. So that's the cover. You open the cover and the lens fits into there, and they close back. So that's the cover to cover the lens. And then this is the back, and the screen flips up. So that's the screen. That's how it looks like when it flips up, and that's the back, the way it looks like when the screen is up. Okay guys, so the screen folds back down, and I think all this here is the control. I haven't on it, so I don't even know. I've never used it before. This is my first time of having one of these camera. So I've been using my phone camera to do all my vlogging and tutorials. Yeah, so on this part here, it got the USB, all the USB plug, all this stuff. And this little place here is, I think, is where the strap goes into. So yeah, so I don't know what else is there to show you guys. Yeah, so anyway, I think that is all there is to the camera, and I think this is the part that you screw to your tripod, and the battery goes in there. You open it from there. Okay, so that's the camera. Very obviously, this is the battery. That's the battery. It's very obvious. I think it comes off that little plastic. That's it. This is the battery holder that you use to plug the battery. According to them, it's a mirrorless something, Canon mirrorless something. I can't find it anywhere on the pen. I wanted to really tell you the full name, but I can't find it. Just a Canon mirrorless something. If I find the full name, I'll leave it on the description box. Yeah, but it's Canon M100 mirrorless something. Anyway, so this is the battery thing, and I think this goes in here. I think it goes in here. See? It goes in here. And then you put the plug there. So this is the plug. And then undo this out of it. Okay, so yeah. So this goes into there. Yeah, and I think it got the when the battery is charged, when it's charging, and when the battery is charged, the sign is there. So I suppose you just plug this. So my daughter is going to help me to plug this. Precious, please bring the socket. Let's plug the battery to the charging. So she's going to help me to plug it. This is my first time of doing it on camera. As you can see, I'm doing everything first time for you guys. Okay, let me show you guys the lens. This is a small lens. So guys, this is a small lens. This is a small lens. You can see that it's small. This is the front. This is the part that face out. This is the cover. This part here is what's attached. So it's what's attached to here. So this part attached to here. I think you just twist it. Yeah. There, that's the small one, and then this is the cover. You open the lens out. Okay guys, and then this closes it back. Okay, so I think you twist it again. I think you have to twist it. I don't even know how it works very well. Oh, okay, so when you open there, it twists the lens out. There's this little thing here. When you push it up, it opens the lens out. So can you see that it's closing? Can you see that? So if you push it back, I think it closes the lens. Okay, so that's inside this one, I have to figure out how to take it out again, because I'm still trying to learn how to take it out. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to show you the big lens because I need to figure out how you close this one. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's closed now. Okay, that's good. So now I have to figure out how you open it out to put the big one. So that's another challenge. But I'm going to read the manual anyway. There must be a way to just inject the lens out. Okay guys, I'm going to figure out that out. So I'll show you the big one. This is a big one. It's really big. Okay, so that's the other lens. This is the part that attached to the camera. Oops. This one you just twist, even though I haven't even put it on the camera. It's already twisting. Okay, so I think this one just twists on its own. Okay, but anyway, so this is the cover. That's the lens, the eye of the lens. So I have to cover it. So that's the big lens. That's the small lens inside the camera. I have to figure out how to take it out. I'll read the manual and figure out how to take it out, because I don't think I know how to take it out just yet. I'm sure there must be a way to take it out. Okay, I'll figure out how to take it out later. And the strap. That's the strap, guys. That's the strap. Okay, so that's for the camera. So let me show you guys my laptop. I haven't even seen the laptop. So you guys are going to be opening the laptop with me. I haven't even seen it. I saw the one they have on the display. I saw the display one, but I haven't even seen the one inside the box. I forgot to get my knife that I normally use to open. Anyway, let's see if I can peel it off. The guy said that they've already opened it and installed some stuff in there already for me. Because I was in there for a while, so they've installed some stuff in there already. But I haven't even seen it. I only saw the display one, so. Okay, there's nothing else in the carton anymore. Oh, so this is they told me there was a USB inside, so that's the USB. It's like a setup recovery USB in case you have a problem with it. Something set up USB recovery media. And of course, this is the charger. Okay guys, that's the charger. These are all the manuals. That's the back of the laptop. That's the front. So it's like as if it's sapphire blue. So yeah, that's the back, front. Okay guys, so now I open it. It's not a very huge laptop. I don't want a huge. I got a big laptop already. I don't want a huge one. So this is the laptop, guys. So I haven't just opened it now, so you guys see. You are seeing it the first time. I'm seeing it the first time. Apart from say I saw the display one. So yeah, this is it, guys. So that's all there is to show you guys. So I'm going to figure out how to how to remove this from the camera. I have no idea how to remove it. So I'm going to figure out how to remove it and then play around with it, on it, and see how it works. Alright guys. Yeah, so I'm just going to turn the camera around so I can say bye to you guys. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this my vlog. Yeah, so that's my new laptop. I can't wait to on it. I'll start using it. And my camera, I still have to figure out how to remove that lens. I'm trying the big lens. Yeah guys, so I'm going to be using this lens to, not this lens, the camera. I think my brain has started freezing again. To vlog from now on, so I can have my phone to use. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, please like, leave a comment. I love my new laptop, don't mind me. Leave a comment, subscribe guys if you haven't subscribed, and click the notification bell for more videos so you get notified. Thanks guys for watching, love you all.